rule. I love life, though we are rooted in peace. But I am mission. I was compelled to leave a flow in the province, to forget a rice field in the farm, to forsake a vineyard in the barrio. I went off to war. Go, 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 go. But a citizen, somewhere in the annals of casualty, I felt the manner, the details of my death are not important. It is only you should remember. When the science of war speaks from the infallible mouth of a gun or gun, human fallible, flesh shrinks and dies in a dirty suit. So I guess, so I die. But I have a new vantage point. Citizen, my name now is not attached to local jurisdiction. I am not Jew and Gentile, Filipino or Russian, French or Japanese, English, German, or American. I am simply a casualty of war. I will now say the hard word, louder than the sound of other melody. My flesh is smoldering in the earth. Will you remember that? My young flesh is smoldering in the earth. Yes, I do not say this with misgiving. I say it only for this new reason. Life might have been kinder to me. I might have been spared a few weeks longer to know the joy of loving and being loved. I might have been taken a while upon my knees and laughed. That it makes much difference now. In the cool of the evening, or in the shadows of the night. But I was a casualty of war. I have done well. You make one standing to the small benedictions of village green and civic memorial. I will not reject it. If I have done wrong, if I have been a barbarian enemy, run from a cave, with the unstained of death, wrap around my body, be kind, if not to my memory, at least to my orphan children. For I was not a thief, like a man, blood brother to man, who sang to save. Habias Viste! Habias Viste! I am thine own soldier, and since I am now of kindred spirit, with all those who have spent their blood for cause, right or wrong, I know this. Peace is not an armistice. It is not an end of hostility. Peace does not mean letting of people to yoke of the victor. Rather, peace means the return of all humanity to its common decency, to its self-respect. My work is finished. Rest now. Let my soul will rest. Felt with him once again. When the love loved him so much that God laid down his friend. And in the meantime, oh, you will still breathe under the sun. Raise up the new family. Let the bond between you be taken so sweetly that even a child might understand. Let the bond between you be loved in love. Citizen is not only a good neighbor policy, it is the law of the prophet. If love is but